Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on antivirus solutions with Kaspersky. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official Kaspersky website. Look for the products section in the main menu. Select the type of antivirus solution that suits your needs. Read the product descriptions to understand the features offered. Click on the Buy Now button for the selected product. Check if there are any ongoing promotions or discounts. If available, apply the promo code during the checkout process. Consider purchasing multiple licenses if you need them for multiple devices. Review the total cost to see the savings you achieve. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Fill in your payment information securely. After completing your purchase, download the antivirus software. Install the software following the on-screen instructions. Activate your subscription using the code you received via email. Make sure to update the software regularly for optimal performance. Explore additional features and settings to customize your protection. By following these steps, you can effectively save on antivirus solutions with Kaspersky. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.